Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a PlayStation 5 controller. First, put your DualSense controller into pairing mode by holding the PlayStation and create buttons together until the light bar flashes. Next, open your mobile device's Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. You should see Wireless Controller appear in the list. Tap it to connect. This simple step gets you ready for enhanced mobile gaming. Once connected, launch Call of Duty Mobile and head into the Settings menu, then find the Controller tab. Here, you can fully customize your button layout, adjust sensitivity levels, and fine-tune aim assist. Take some time to experiment with these settings in a private match or training ground. Finding your perfect configuration is key to maximizing your performance and comfort during gameplay. Using a PlayStation 5 controller offers significant advantages, like enhanced precision for aiming and more comfortable movement compared to touch controls. To truly optimize your gameplay, practice regularly across different game modes. This helps you adapt to the controller's feel and master new techniques. Don't forget to fine-tune settings like dead zones and trigger sensitivity for even greater control and a competitive edge. Encountering connection issues. A quick restart of both your mobile device and PlayStation 5 controller often resolves them. Always ensure your Call of Duty mobile app and controller firmware are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance and compatibility. Remember to keep an eye on your controller's battery. A full charge typically provides about 10 to 12 hours of continuous gameplay, ensuring uninterrupted action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.